SVI is leading electronic manufacturing services company, established in 1985 in Thailand, which has grown to become one of the best-known EMS companies in Asia, Europe, and North America. Our corporate headquarters is located just 45-minute drive north of Bangkok and offers the innovation and automation throughout its world-class facilities, offers traditional and advanced EMS technologies, servicing multiple market segments. Our diverse management team brings decades of experience in manufacturing and customer service, multicultural leadership and expertise to drive operational excellence, employee engagement and ensure superior customer service. SVI's newest site is in Cambodia in an industrial park near the capital city Phnom Penh. With production space of over 10,000 square meters, with another 25,000 square meters available by the end of 2023. Our Cambodia facility provides highly cost-efficient solutions to our customers, while maintaining the highest level of quality. We also offer TAA compliance to facilitate business with our USA customers. As a subsidiary of SVI, Tohoku Solutions provides vertical capabilities to support the one-stop shop offering with expertise in plastic and metal tool design and volume manufacturing. In the die and mold section, we can design and manufacture dies and molds in-house for metal stamping and plastic injection molding. We offer the best quality, high-accuracy manufacturing for metal parts and utilizing top-of-the-range stamping equipment, as well as plastic injection molding with high complexity and tight tolerances. In order to control part quality, we have the strict quality processes with accurate and precise equipment to ensure the part quality meets the tolerances and specifications. We produce mechanical and optical pickup units for car audio and also mechanical units for head-up display. Along with the SVI sales office in Copenhagen, SVI Austria serves as the European technology leader for the SVI Group to support our global customers in Europe. SVI Austria specializes in the full system build of high-complexity automotive and medical products with lean production systems and advanced engineering proficiency. Serving leading OEM customers throughout Europe, SVI Slovakia offers traditional EMS, box build and cable capability within production space 15,000 square meters. Our Slovakian operation offers a competitive cost structure combined with efficient logistics solutions for delivery by truck within a day throughout the region. SVI Global Supply Chain Management Team is strategically located in Thailand, China, Europe, and the US to leverage SVI's total global purchasing power to secure the best possible pricing, flexibility, quality, delivery, and services for the entire SVI organization. SVI is your total electronics manufacturing solution partner, from a design concept to new product introduction through to mass production and aftermarket services.